if you're a content creator who makes YouTube videos, podcast clips, TikToks, Reels, or LinkedIn videos, and you hate how long the editing process takes, well, this new AI Claude plugin will help you edit in under 3 minutes. It uses AI to actually understand what your video is about and cut out all the bad takes and repeats. And the best part is it's completely free to try out and test. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to use it and what it is. Let's go. Alright guys, once out of Premiere Pro, I got this crazy chopped clip of me talking about some of my AI plugins. And as you can see, I mess up a lot. There's a lot of bad takes in here, there's a lot of repeats, and I'm gonna go ahead and have to cut these out manually if I'm not using AI to edit them. And this is gonna take a long time because it's about a 4-minute clip, and it's just, you see, like I'm looking around, I would not want this part in, there's a lot of silences, and so forth. So instead, what I can use is my new Claude AI plugin. So I've linked down to it below. It's completely free to try out and test. Go to AutoEditAI.net, you create a new account, you sign up for the free trial, and then you download the plugin for Mac or Windows. Once you download the plugin, restart Premiere Pro, and then you go to Window, you hit Extensions, and you click Auto Edit. Now the AutoEdit Creator Mode plugin will pop up, and you literally just go ahead and select your timeline, and you hit Creator Mode. Then you're just going to hit Process this video. What it's going to do is it's going to upload this video to ElevenLabs. It's going to transcribe your video, and then from ElevenLabs, it's going to use Claude to actually understand what your video is about. So you can see right now it's transcribing my video. I look crazy, bro. Hey, do you guys like my new haircut, by the way? I don't know. Anyways, and then after it transcribes the video, then it's gonna make sure to upload that transcript to Claude, and then from Claude, it's going to cut out all the bad takes and the actual context of the video. The reason why I made this is because a lot of other AI plugins, they'll only analyze based off of just repeated words, filler words, on just like very basic script editing logic tools. But what no plugin was doing was actually understanding the intent of your video, and that's what this entire plugin is about. It's about understanding the intent and the actual point of the content. So we're just gonna go ahead and speed this part up, wait for it to load. And just like that, you can see it's done, and boom, it automatically cut up my entire timeline according to the actual context of our video. Now it's gonna take us to this review edits page. And this page is really cool. It's my favorite page because it'll tell you, number one, how many segments it's detected. So it detected 66 segments, how many it kept. So 27 of them were good and 39 of those were bad. And the cut rate was about 59%, and we removed about 2.29 seconds. 29 minutes. And as you can see right here, the gray blacked out areas are the parts that it wants to cut, but it hasn't cut them yet. So it's leaving it up to you for review. And the way you can review them is by literally just scrolling right here. It'll tell you, do you want to keep this part, you want to cut this part, and so forth. Now, if AI accidentally chooses some parts that you want to keep, or it keeps some parts that you want to cut, then you can just easily go ahead and manually adjust it by just clicking keep or cut. And then it will see it say a manual adjustment. So you can see, if you edit videos, these are the best 2 AI plugins that will help you edit. This is AI AutoEdit. All you do is upload. Yep, yeah, look at that. You can upload raw interview footage. It's cutting out, it cut out, like I literally had about maybe 5 or 6 repeats, and then cut out all of those and just kept the last one. I'm gonna keep this no text one right here, no text. Using these 2 AI plugins has saved me over 100 hours of video editing. It's helped me edit 10 times faster. I'm gonna cut this no text part. With all this extra time, I've been able to get more clients than ever. If you wanna edit your videos, so you can see right here, there's a couple of duplicates, but as you can see, the plugin is not perfect, but overall it's still doing a great job at cutting out most of the bad takes. 3, 2, 1. How to edit music videos. And you can see over here I did a couple other hooks towards the end of the video, so honestly it's not even AI's fault, it's just the way I recorded it. But yeah, this works great for editing podcasts, tutorials, explainer videos, documentary voiceovers, and any recording that has real raw human recording with mess ups, because we mess up a lot, we're humans, and I think that's why it's great to have AI to help us clean up those mess ups. But I don't think it's great to always just generate a bunch of AI slop and content. That's my personal opinion, that's my take. That's why I decided to make AI plugins, because I think everybody's making a bunch of generative AI slop plugins, and we're just kind of like not even being human anymore. But the crazy thing is that there's still a lot of editors that still have a lot of content, real raw recording and real footage that needs to be edited. So why don't we just use AI to speed up those boring parts, and then you can focus on being creative. That's the point of the AutoEdit Creator plugin. Let me know what you think. Is this something you'd use? Would you find it helpful? And also just give it a try. It's completely free to try out and test. I think it comes with like about 10 minutes of testing credits. So yeah, give it a try. And then once you're done, you just hit apply all permanent, and boom, just like that, it's edited our timeline, and we now have a final timeline. I'll show the final result right here, but let me know what you think. I'm really excited for this. This is like probably one of my most favorite AI plugins I've ever made so far. We also have other plugins like AI plugin that automatically edits music videos, an AI plugin that automatically edits event recap videos, and a B-roll selector plugin, which is just a general use case for any type of raw handheld footage. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you found something helpful. If you're a content creator, YouTuber, TikToker, vlogger, podcast clipper, you definitely should check this plugin out. Other than that, happy editing. If you want to learn how to automatically edit music videos to the beat of the song in one click using AI, you can check out this video linked right here.